you ever wanted to learn something and prove you could actually do it? Welcome to Level Learned, channel where I publicly try to learn and bring you guys along for the way. By the way, getting your master's is probably not the way to go. I have stacks of books and notebooks and partially started courses on Udemy and Coursera and different other sites, but none of them ever finished. I started learning something and I never really followed through with it. And I hold myself more accountable, right? Especially to strangers on the internet. I mean, nothing could go wrong there, right? And that'd be fun. This channel's a public proof that, well, it's not just a pipe dream. And hopefully that inspires some of you to come along the journey with me. Why should you even care? Well, I'm this former smart, lazy kid. You know, those kids that slept through their classes and eked by and just kind of seemed to always pass and never had to put any effort in? Yeah, well, that was me. And, I mean, I did. I got through college and got a career and, well, never really cared. Never really did anything past that. Started IT in 2020 when nothing was going on. After 6 years of working to get my bachelor's degree, you know, that 4-year degree that you're supposed to get, it took me 6. And then in 2025, I decided that to get a jump start on learning, I'd go get my master's. Side note, getting your master's was not the correct choice. So since then, I've done 10 to 15 new studies and 0 completed, so I figured, why not start a YouTube channel? As nothing screams procrastination and not wanting to do what you're gonna do. I started a YouTube channel to avoid procrastinating. So how is this all gonna work? Are you just gonna watch me read textbooks and watch Udemy videos? Well, yes and no. I mean, we have to study at some point. We have to learn the material somehow. These videos will be 10 to 20 minutes in length. Usually some kind of overview of the week and how things went and what I understood and what I didn't understand and how the week went, because not every week's going to be the same and not every week's going to be easy, and so why not add those details in? But the big thing is going to be at the end of all of the study, when we do a certification test, I will bring you along. We'll see if I passed, failed, and everything like that. I mean, after all, there's no backing out now. I've already told all of you guys. As some of the keen eye among you may have noticed, I did skills and I said other interesting things. But those obviously don't always have a certification. So what are we going to do for the final test for that? Well, we'll figure it out. Some of the ideas I had were like photography. I would try to get maybe an photography image posted in a gallery. I'm not saying a whole gallery for myself, that seems a little extreme. But I get a photo posted in somewhere, even if it's somewhere small. Where are we going to start though? Because that's kind of the reason we're here. The Project Management Institute's Certified Associate in Project Management. Try saying that 3 times fast. So going forward, I'm going to call it the CAPM. I mean, after all, this channel is a project after all, so why not start with that? Plus, my day job is a project coordinator / technical resource, so this helps me out there. The next video you'll see on this channel is going to be an introduction to that series and goals and everything along the way, and we'll see how that all goes and what to expect from that, length, plan, goals, testing. So this video should be getting released later this week, and next week will be the start of the actual series. If you guys have stayed around this long, if you give me a like, comment, subscribe, help me stay accountable to my decisions, and leave a comment below that says we're watching you. Thanks.